In this tutorial, we'll try to understand select distinct statement. Now, what is meant by distinct? Distinct means something unique, right? So, if I take the example here, I can see there is a name, email ID, gender, country, and year. Let's say I want to know how many countries are there. Like if I do the select star from EMP, I can see many China's records, many other countries are there. But if I want only distinct country, so if I use the distinct, what I will get, I will come to know like how many countries data are available in this table. So I will not get repetitive data, repetitive China, repetitive United States, repetitive some other country. I will not get. I want to know a distinct record. So it is very important to understand. If you check the syntax, select distinct column from table name. So let me do that. Select DIST distinct. Then we need to specify column name. You cannot mention star here, or you can mention also, but again there is no use of that. So better you can use country, COUNTRY. Select distinct country from employee. So what I'm getting a different country here. So we have this table employee which is having a data of different countries like United States, Angola, Cameroon, China, UK. Many countries are there. Around 7 countries are there. So we have a data of different country. If I use just select star from country, I will not get to know. I will get to know, but again I need to scroll it down. If there are millions of record, it is very difficult to find out how many countries data is there, because multiple countries can be there and multiple rows are there. So better whenever you want something unique to identify, that time you can use distinct column name from employee. This is really important with respect to the Oracle DBA, because many times we need to find out the distinct value. So that time it is really important. Thank you.